In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ordinary time earnings in Xero Payroll. By the end, you'll have a clear, reusable earnings item ready for your pay runs, so your base wages flow to the right accounts and calculate correctly. First, sign into Xero and head to the payroll area. From there, open payroll settings. This is where you control how earnings, deductions, and other payroll components behave. Next, go into Pay Items. Pay Items is your library of earnings types, and creating a clean, consistent setup here saves you a lot of time later. Select Add, then choose Ordinary Time Earnings. Ordinary Time Earnings is the standard earnings category you'll use for regular hours worked. It forms the basis for many payroll calculations and is typically the line that appears most often on payslips. Give your new earning an earnings name. Make it clear and specific, like ordinary hours or base salary, depending on how you pay your team. Then add a display name. This is what employees will see on their payslips, so keep it employee-friendly and recognizable. Keeping the internal name and display name closely aligned helps your payroll reports match what staff expect to see. Next, choose the rate type. If you pay by the hour, rate per unit is usually the best fit, as it multiplies hours by the employee's rate. If this earning should always be calculated off the employee's ordinary earning rate, choose multiple of employee's ordinary earnings rate and set the appropriate multiple, such as 1.0 for standard hours. If this earning is a fixed amount each pay period, select Fixed Amount. Pick the option that mirrors how you actually pay, so pay runs are accurate and require minimal manual edits. Now select the expense account. Map this to the wages or salaries expense account you use in your chart of accounts. Getting this right ensures your payroll posts to the correct place in your general ledger and keeps your financial reports clean. If you're unsure which account to use, check your existing payroll expense mappings to stay consistent. When everything looks good, click Add to Save. Your new ordinary earnings item is now ready to use. You'll see it available when you set up or review employee pay templates and during pay runs, keeping your regular hours simple and consistent. That's it. With a clear name, the right rate type, and the correct expense account, your ordinary TM earnings will calculate cleanly and post accurately every time. Thanks for watching and happy payroll processing.